A very delightful good morning. I would like to request Honorable Speaker Sir to accept the bill of the House. I think, therefore I am, quoted by Immanuel Kant. A very delightful good morning to Honorable Speaker Sir and the House. I stand here with a firm belief that the adoption of AI in the education system of the country under human cognitive abilities. Honorable Speaker Sir, studies of Microsoft and Carnegie Mellon University 2023 says that AI has reduced the cognitive abilities of the students, cognitive abilities in the form of critical thinking, rational thinking, creativity. Honorable Speaker Sir, with this we can say that AI is a crutch, not an enhancer. Honorable Speaker Sir, students nowadays, for making simple notes, they are making themselves dependent on AI. Indian Journal of Educational Research 2024 says that AI-based note-making students have 40% reduction in the brain capacity compared to the students who prepare their own notes. Honorable Speaker Sir, this has made the student copy-based of this education system has made the students parrot learner, because of which the 68% students rely on AI as per the Indian Institute Technological Study 2024, where because of which the students can pass their exams but they fail to pass in the real life situations. Honorable Speaker Sir, because of this, there is no surface knowledge of the students even. The Hindu newspaper says in the 2024, 73% students skip textbooks, and because of which they have no basic knowledge, no understanding of any concepts. Honorable Speaker Sir, even in the Indian Council of Social Sciences Research says that the students retain only 30% of information because there is no classroom discussion among the students, and because of which they retain 30% information, only 30% information in their memory, but compared to the students who involve them in the discussion of the classrooms. Honorable Speaker Sir, in the Indian Express 2023, it says that AI gives 21% of the time wrong answers, because of which in the CBSE 2023 exams of class 10, there are many factual errors in the answer sheet of the students. Honorable Speaker Sir, according to the National Institute of Mental Health and Neuroscience Studies 2024 says that youngsters, kids, now a generation, are learning about inappropriate behavior, inappropriate languages, and this shows that today we are mentioning about the not use of unparliamentary language in the debate, but a day will come when we will accept the unparliamentary language because the AI will make it acceptable one. Honorable Speaker Sir, my opposition team is saying that we are lacking in common sense. Are they not lacking a common sense by supporting a thing which are destructible for them? Honorable Speaker Sir, I also want to mention that my opposition team is continuously mentioning about ChatGPT, that we are making our notes on ChatGPT, preparing our points on ChatGPT, but ChatGPT is not the only thing. I know you have prepared your notes on ChatGPT, but we have prepared our points from government website. Honorable Speaker Sir, also, our India is known for the most populous country in the world, also known for the rich and poor divide. According to the report of Ministry of Education 2024, 38%, only 38% rural students have access to AI, which shows that this will create more rich and poor gap and more educational gap. Honorable Speaker Sir, the teachers who are the basic fundamental unit of this society are making themselves rely on this AI. According to a survey of 2023, All India Teachers Association, 47% teachers rely on AI-based notes and grading. This shows that the student and teacher's relationship is getting worse than day by day. Honorable Speaker Sir, with this I want to conclude by saying, I have started with a quote, I think I am. It's because we humans are rational beings, thinking beings. And it is being quoted by Immanuel Kant. And there are other philosophers like Socrates, Aristotle, Plato, John Rawls. But if we continue to use AI in such a situation, then we will not have philosophers like this, because these philosophers have built their thinking on rationality, their critical thinking. With this, I want to conclude by saying, Honorable Speaker Sir, that choice is yours because you are dictating a future where AI will dictate you, not you. Thank you so much.